Many people receive a letter saying they must repair or replace their roof within a set time frame or risk losing coverage. Some policies are non-renewed altogether. Others receive roof exclusions added, meaning the future roof claims won't be covered. The most frustrating part is timing. Homeowners often find out late, sometimes 30 or 60 days before renewal, when contractors are booked and decisions are rushed. That pressure leads to expensive choices and unnecessary replacements. And in many cases, the roof itself was still functional. The reason this catches so many people off guard is simple. Most homeowners don't have regular roof inspections. There's an assumption that if there's no leak, everything is fine. And most importantly, there's usually no documentation. So when an insurer raises a concern, the homeowner has no baseline condition report, no photos, and no proof of ongoing maintenance. Without documentation, there's no leverage. At that point, the insurance company controls the narrative.